Today, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful golden rose frame. I saw something similar to this in a furniture store a while back, but it was in silver and I really wanted something in gold, so I decided to make my own. So if you're interested, please continue watching and I hope you enjoy.
To make the roses, I cut out 3 flower shapes from foam paper. 2 flowers had 5 petals each and the last one only 4. I started with the smallest cutout, stuck the pearl in the middle, then glued each petal to close in on the pearl. And I made sure the petals overlapped. Then I stuck the first flower onto the second cutout and made sure the bottom of the petals were glued to the first flower. I bent the top of the petals to the outside. I did the same thing with the last cutout. This process needs patience, but the roses look amazing. The final step is to add a bit more glue to the inside of the rose, without covering the pearl, and try to squeeze the inner petals together. I made about 30 roses in different sizes for this frame. Then I made smaller flowers to help me fill in the gaps between the roses. These are easier to make. Cut out smaller flower shapes and hold them onto the iron for about 5 to 10 seconds. This will help them take the form of a real flower. Then for the center of the flower, you can attach either a pearl or a gemstone. For the very tiny flowers, I just added a drop of glue and let it dry up. Once done preparing all the flowers, take the back of the frame off, as well as the glass, and then start gluing on your flowers. I started with the roses first, and then used the smaller flowers to fill in the gaps. And don't forget the sides of the frame. This will give it a more comprehensive look at the end. For a more colorful frame, you can leave it as it is. But I wanted a metallic finish for my piece, so I went ahead and sprayed it in metallic gold.
I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon with another craft. Bye!